My name is Nikki, and I had a full smile makeover done with Dr. Veneers. Well, the reason I had it done was I was a teeth grinder. And so I had a lot of thinning of my enamel in my teeth. Like if close up, if I looked in the mirror, I could see the thinning of my teeth. So it really bothered me. Now I just think it looks so natural. I think he did such a good job. And I was really scared. I was like scared to death because nobody likes to go to the dentist, right? And it was the easiest thing I probably could have ever done. I had so much stress and anxiety about it, and there was absolutely zero pain. When I look at old pictures before, I can tell a real difference. I love it. It's the best decision I ever made when it comes to my teeth, for sure.